Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate image stabilization on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the camera app and make sure that you're on the video mode. So if you will be on the standard photo one, just tap on the video, and since you can see this red circle inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Right now we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and tap on the settings actually. As you can see, on the second position we've got image stabilization option, so in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher on it. And as you can see right now, it is activated and it will be applied to all next videos you will record, so they won't be as shaky as they will be without this option. Obviously you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on this option, but I highly recommend to leave it turned on because they will look more professional thanks to this. So actually that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.